Here we go, guys. Let's see what this thing's got. Let's see what this thing's made of on these trails. It likes the grass. I know that.
round and round we go. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, sometimes I lose control. Like round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, sometimes I lose control. Like whoa. Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, sometimes I lose control. Whoa. Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, and sometimes I can't let go of my feelings, let go of my pride. Even though I tried it like 1,000 times, I would be lying if I said you wasn't by my side. But when I needed you the most, I saw you running high. Oh, I remember how we used to run the street, yeah. I pulled a James, came from Akron with the heat, yeah. Man, I can't believe that I wasted all my energy on somebody who would turn into my enemy. But look, life is like a merry-go, cause round and round we go. Shame on me for trying to fix something that was broke. Hold up, one day we hit, one day we gone. One day we living and then the next day we don't. I get so stuck in my ways, I just don't know where to go. I guess my life is a fight and I got my back on the rope. Oh yeah, you name it, I tried it. I went from pimping to pining, could keep my mama from crying. My youth was absent of guidance and now it's whoa. Round and round we go. Grow up with some kinfolk that we don't hit on no more. Lately I've been grinding and feel like I'm on a roll. Still can't be myself if I keep putting on a show. Cause one day we hit, one day we ain't, one day we moving and then the next day we can't. Feel like I'm losing my grip, how'd I get stuck in this maze? Feel like I'm tripping, I just been missing for days. If life is no more than games, oh yeah, then I need to know. If I can't settle this problem, I think my head might explode. I may have children who teach their children the lessons I show. I get so lost in the system, can't even find me no more. So many bodies, they catching bodies, there's bodies galore. If they keep glorifying demons, then the truth on the low. If they keep running from their problems, it get worse than before. But all this Bible we thumping, it got their head looking swole. Can they keep their diamonds at least? Can they keep their work on the street? Can they keep on sleeping with different women each day of the week? They want that whip and that chain, that for AHEDB. If they gotta die to the flesh, that worry dying with me. Hold up, only if I knew back then what I know right now, I would pay that bond, I would bail you out, I would help you with those chains, I would help you with your doubt. But I can't fix it with no song, I'm just here thinking out loud, yeah. I can't fix it with no song, I'm just here thinking out loud. I can't fix it with no song, I'm just here thinking out loud. Life is a merry-go, we go round. One day we up, one day we down. One day we lost, one day we found. One day we swim, one day we drown. One day we cold, one day we hot. One day we on, one day we not. One day we stand, one day we...
Actually, guys, you guys have already seen everything. I don't want to get lost here, so I'm going to take the same exact way back that I took here. So nothing going to be special about the rest of the trip, and the video's long enough. So that's going to end it. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.